Hello, it's Angeline. I'm back with another Scrappy video with Unity Stem, and today I'm going to show you how I created this starry galaxy background. So first up, I've already stamped and colored this cute owl and the moon stamp set, and I've also added some metallic liquid paints there to create some shimmer for the moon. And I'm also grabbing my favorite distress oxide inks and a makeup blending brush to blend in some colors for my background. So I'm starting off with the blueprint sketch here, and then moving on to some purple, which is the seedless preserves, and just going randomly across, creating this galaxy background. Then I'm grabbing the stormy sky color and just blending all the colors in. Then I'm grabbing some water and just spritzing some onto my background, creating the oxidized look, and just using a towel to just dab off the water. Next, I'm grabbing my decofoil metallix gel. It comes in a creamy paste like this, and it is really shiny. I'm also grabbing the stencil pal and my stencil. And so to make sure that my stencil does not move, I'm just spraying some pixie spray at the back of my stencil so that it can adhere to my card without any problems. Next, I'm just putting some of the gel on my stencil pal. This tool is so huge, as you can see, so it covers the entire background so easily. You can also add more gel if you do not have enough, and just go across your stencil really easily. This tool will help you get a smooth application. And if you have extra, just scrap off the excess and just put it back into the jar. Once you're done, just peel off your stencil and voila! Here is your shiny, starry galaxy background. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!